Hello everyone, so today is another day, so welcome to my mini vlog. So uban mi karon sa among paglaglaag kay naami explore nga lugar na nakita na mo siya sa Google Map nga nindot kay siya sa picture, so we decided na tuon na mo siya. So tanawon na mo kung unsa kanindot or unsay naa didto na lugar. So nakita ninyo grabe siya ka bukid, grabe siya ka pangpang. And then dang kay kahoy, and then kanina time grabe jud siya kainit, but okay ra kaayo kay nindot man sad ang kalibutan. So we are right now in Ibo River. So naintriga mi kung unsa jud kanindot daw ang Ibo River. So tanaw na to ang expectation versus reality. So this is a river and then you need to go down to look what aray ko, right. So this is a river. Yeah, it's very nice. And I cannot make sure if it's clean or not, but I see that this is a beautiful place. Kung kuan na dyan mo Instagrammable. Yes, look. So naa siya ko. Feel ako kay nadri intron. But we are going there, down, and then I think di siya limpyo because dakan kay siya lumot. But when I saw the napo dito adapita. So lumuton mo. Lumuton, yeah, right. I saw a baka there. There is a baka. So when maybe it's time to take a picture only because I can't guarantee to swim. Yeah, so we need to go down, and yeah, it's very tricky if you need to go here. Oh my god, tabi-tabi po tao. Yeah, oh my god. Ulo pati. Okay, well, this is the place. Ato dito others people there, and ako yung nag-campaign. And then mo ni siya ang lugar. So mo ni ang Ibo River, guys. So kamo ni bahala if you want to go or visit this place. Well, but for a picture lang, well, it's okay. Yeah. Picture if I was Dasa ka, Jeff. Picture. Wala. Oh my god. You should be careful. Manimahon na kang kigwaron. Uy, dala tadaaw. Hindi na lang kamulabang. Sige, go. Whoa. Go, you're straight. Tabi pa tao. Pre-billion. Here we go. Dito, pahulay. Nami diri sa Ibo River. Mo na yung dala, nag-take out lang mag Jollibee. So 2 pieces of chicken. And yeah, there. Mo na ilang lugar. Nandun siya sa picture but okay lang. At least maglingaw-lingaw mo diri. Welcome to Ibo River. So, where we need to go home na guys. So, may kaligo kay white tubig ang sapa. So, nindot kis picture but ambot asa naman po yung padulong ani. So, maro tayo. Grabe nag-picture. See you in the next adventure. So karon nangapangutanan nami kung asa mi nangadto kay grabe jud ka subida sa among gihanian guys. So mao ni siya ang lugar. I don't know kung unsa ni part pa ba ni siya sa kuan. But we are going to Compostela unta. But let's see.